I'm going to show, or have a video to show how to use Google Drive and the features in it, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Draw, Slides, and Forms. So I actually have a Google Drive, so I'll type in my Google Drive sign in. So if I go here to my drive, it has all the different features that I've done through Google Drive. I can see what's shared with me, what I've recently done. Let's see, this is my recent, so I've done a lot of audio stuff. So I'll go back to my drive, and now I'll show the basics of Google Docs. Oh, and I can also upload files from here. This will be able to upload from anything in my computer, audio, videos, images, that kind of stuff. I can upload that straight to my Google Drive. But now Google Docs. So I click on Google Docs. And the thing that's cool about Google Drive is that it automatically saves your stuff. So whenever you open a document, it'll automatically save as untitled document. So I'm going to need to change that to test document, hit enter. And now it's basically the same thing as Word, but I can type out and then I can center it if I need to. I can change fonts, change size, that kind of thing. Let's see, I can enter page numbers, links if I want to, comments. But I can also do this editing mode. And what this does is that if I share it to somebody, then I can click on which version I want them to see. So if I do editing mode, that means that they can edit it directly. Or I can do just viewing mode. And then if I share it, they won't be able to change anything in it. Oops. Let's go back to editing mode. Okay. I can indent. It's basically, and from there it's basically the same as Word. But you just from there type your paper, and it'll automatically save it. And so if I go back to my Google Drive, let's see. Oh, you can also, if need be, download it to your computer, which I sometimes have to do if I have to submit it for class. I'll have to download it as Microsoft Word, that kind of thing. So as you can see, once I updated my Google Drive, it automatically saved that as a test document. And that's basically how you use Google Docs. So the next thing, click New. New. I can go to Google Sheets is the next one. So in Google Sheets, it's basically the same as Excel. I can do, so say in the first cell, I want to talk about, let's see, shoes or clothing brands. So brands, price, I can do Nike, Adidas, Reebok, and say the price of this stuff is $10, $12, $15. Here if I want the average, put average, and then in here I'll do equals AVG, and then it'll pop up an average. Click average. Okay, and then click the cells, or I select the cells that I want the average to be. If I can get it to go. Let's see, let's try that again. There. Enter. And that is the average. So if I change this to 14, average changes to 12. So that's kind of how you do that. There's different things that you can do in this as well. Also, I can change the fonts. I can open comments. If I want to insert different cells, charts. But other than that, it's pretty simple. You just enter what numbers you have, and it'll automatically calculate things for you. So I go back to my drive. Next thing is Google Slides. So if I go to Google Slides, again, it'll automatically save Untitled Presentation. Let's say I want to, oops. Now from here, I can add a title page. Anytime I want to change or add a new slide, I can go here, new slide. It'll add that. If I want to change the background or theme, I can go over to the side, click on it, and it'll change those. I can import themes if I want to. I can change the transition of the slides. So if I want to do dissolve, I can apply it to all slides. So that's what it'll look like whenever I transition slides. So I'll go here. Play. So that's transition. I can insert audio if I want to. Oops. Wait, let's stop that. Insert audio, and the audio, it will go from my Google Drive as well. So I have these recordings saved in my Google Drive. I can click on those, and it will pop up a little microphone or box up here. I can enlarge it, and I'll click that, and I can click over on the side. I can say that I want it to automatically play as soon as the slide pops up, or I can do on click, which that means I click on the play button. You can go to somewhere on the internet, copy an image, and paste it onto your slide, and then let's see, if I want to present it, see what it would look like, go to View, Present. And this is what my slide will look like. Title, dissolve, and my second slide. Hit escape to get back out. And that is that. There's also comments you can do on here, just like the others. And that's pretty much the basics of Google Slides. Okay, so now Google Forms. Okay, Google Forms. So here is basically like what you would do if you want to do test. if I want to do this one, question 1, I can make it multiple choice, I can make it short answer, paragraph, anything, you know, that I want from there. I can add another question if I want to, do that question, add other options.